You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing titles, including from the royal family and more names of famous places around the UK, stay tuned. It's located in Scotland. It's the Duke of, in Scottish, pronounced as Buccleuch. Buccleuch. So it's fairly straightforward once you know the Duke of Buccleuch, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.